Here's the app called Overheard, Truth Before Dating, the dating tool all men need. Get the real story with Overheard. Browse shared dating stories, spot behavioral red flags or green flags, decide if it's worth your time. Your anonymous dating insight app built to help you make smarter decisions before getting involved. Whether you're curious about someone's vibe, want to spot early warning signs, or just looking for real talk from others who've been there, Overheard helps you date with confidence. Browse anonymous posts based on location, age range, see behavioral patterns, read real stories. It's not about exposing people, it's about protecting yourself. It's to give you more clarity, community insight, and honest experiences. Um, so there you have it. It's built by Bro Gaming. I don't know whether this is kind of in relation to this T app which went viral, or whether this is seems like this is for guys just to check out on girls. So for men, correct. So it's kind of alternative to T app, kind of same as T app just for men. And you just sign in here, setting up, and then you can just continue. So here you have it. You can then just create username. You can then just enter your age. And then here is our Heart Pro. It's $15 per month. And then here you have it. That's the idea. So now you can upgrade. So you can describe your experience. You can upload image, provide details, create posts, search. I don't know what. And then you need to upgrade to unlock search results. So that's where you have it. At the moment, this is just what it is. Yeah, super basic app. It seems they don't have that many profiles, but hopefully they have more, and then you can just see more people in your area. All right, so now, for example, you might have that, but there are also guys and girls here. So seems this is what you can see. 5 comments, and that's the idea like of the app. So you can see red flags, you can see green flags, and that's the idea. The app is a bit glitchy, but that's what you have. So it both guys and girls in here, so that's where you have it, and that's the app. Try it out.